Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin with a few essentials. Know your seed or save, know items that change room generation, and keep bombs handy. Start clearing rooms methodically so you can read patterns. This reveals likely secret room spots and reduces randomness. Once done, mark the boss room and the locked door layout so you know which adjacent spaces remain. Make sure to use map or compass information to narrow candidates, and place bombs on suspicious walls. This first push sets up every later check. Now you search the probable locations for the crawl spaces. Focus on corners adjacent to the boss or special rooms and spots near tinted rocks. These often host tiny hidden rooms. Use bombs and explosive items to test every suspicious tile while listening for audio cues that signal secret doors. The minimap sometimes shows a faint dot or gap. Once done, adapt. If layout resists, change character or use rerolls that can alter room generation. Since why something failed, you finish by verifying entry, detonate the bomb or interact to reveal the crawl space and claim the reward, noting its type and layout for future runs. If you can't enter, don't panic. Resetting the run or switching characters can change room generation, and seeds can lock certain spawns. That explains many failures. Make sure to test a few different approaches before assuming a bug. Lastly, share the seed and steps with others to confirm whether it's reproducible or genuinely blocked.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.